Hello and welcome to FMRevu. Straight from the gym to the office, I come live to you. And today I'm excited to bring you another unboxing video, but this time it's some things that I ordered from eBay in my effort to relive my childhood and follow that trail of retro gaming perfection and those old school games that are dear to me. And here you can see all the goodies that was waiting for me in the mailbox when I came home. First up is some goodies that I ordered for my son. He's a big fan of PJ Masks, and I got the entire cast of good guys and villains, or bad guys, since it's a kid's show, which includes Owlette, Catboy, Gecko, Night Ninja, Luna Girl, and Romeo. So they're all just little plastic figurines that I'm going to present to him. Ha ha ha! Super Nintendo cartridge. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the Tournament Fighters. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Tournament Fighters. Was released in 1993 and published by Konami. How do you say that? Konami? I don't know. Anyway, it has 9 playable characters, which include the 4 main characters, the Ninja Turtles, which are Leonardo, Raphael, Michelangelo, and Donatello. Plus you have Cyber Shredder, Armagon, Wingnut, Chrome Dome, Asuka or Asuka, I'm not sure how to say that name, but she's a female character that I'm not really familiar with. And finally you have War, who is a purple alien, I guess. Again, I'm not really familiar with him either. It's a CD, so it's PlayStation. What is this? Thank you for your purchase. Marvel Superheroes. Again, he likes Hulk, Spider-Man, Captain America, and I like all the fighting games from the past. Early 90s into the 2000s. Marvel Superheroes was released in either 97 or 98. Both of those dates are on the disc, and I guess maybe it was a combination of both years the game was released. It was published by Capcom, and this game has 10 playable characters, which include Spider-Man, Wolverine, Hulk, Iron Man, Psylocke, Captain America, Shuma Gorath or Shuma Gorath, not sure how to say his name, Blackheart, Juggernaut, and finally we have Magneto. Another CD, so it's PlayStation. This is Capcom versus SNK Pro. Yay! I do like the merger of those two companies. I'm starting to get into a lot of the SNK fighting games, Final Fights, Samurai Showdown, Fatal Fury, some of the King of the Fighters. I've went and got some of those collections for the PlayStation 2. And so I wanted to get the original ones and start playing those from the ground up in order to get good at them, because their fighting mechanics is totally different from the Capcom Street Fighter fighting mechanics. Capcom versus SNK Pro. And this game was released in either 2001 or 2002 because both of those dates are on the disc. This was published by Capcom and it has 30 playable characters. They include Terry Bogard, Mai, Iori, Kyo, Ryu, M. Bison, Sagat, Vega, Yamazuki, Rugal, Geese Howard, Dan, Sakura, Halsim, Dalsim, Dalsim, however he's pronounced, Cammy, Blanca, Vice, King, Benimaru, Yuri, Joe, Ken, Chun-Li, Guile, E Honda, Zangief, Balrog, Raiden or Raiden, Kim, and Ryo. This game has a noticeable load time in between rounds, which may turn off a few people and actually slow down the overall gameplay and pace of playing. This was designed in the SNK style, which is a little bit more realistic versus the cartoon anime design of the Capcom characters and games of this time. Alright, this is Titanfall 2, which includes the Nitro Scorch pack. This is brand new, hadn't been opened. I got it for $7. I played the demo for the first Titanfall and I liked it, but it didn't hold up to the, at the time, quality that Call of Duty had. Even though it was by Respawn, who were the guys who left Infinity Ward, and they were the ones responsible for the Modern Warfare 1 and 2 games, which were great. But I've heard a lot of good things about the campaign on this, about the smooth gameplay, and I'm starting to ease out of the Call of Duty franchise and the online in general. So I'm curious to see if this is good as far as a campaign single story. Single player. That's what I'm talking about. Single player. Titanfall 2, released in 2016 for the Xbox One. It was made by Respawn Entertainment and published by EA. Both Pilot and Titan unite as never before in Titanfall 2. Experience a single-player campaign that explores the unique bond between man and machine. Dominate the competition in multiplayer action, featuring 6 all-new Titans, enhanced pilot abilities, an expanded customization system, new maps, weapons, and much more. Ha ha ha! More nostalgia, but for my son. Again, as I said, he likes Ninja Turtles, and so I found some semi-decent looking Ninja Turtle toys that are not outrageous. The whole set of 4. I don't like the twist or the image destruction that modern cartoons have with the past cartoons that I grew up with. They want to add some junky, mechanical, retro, steampunk look to the Ninja Turtles, or they just look so deformed that they're not even recognizable anymore. This is kind of a middle ground between the classic look and the new kind of childish animated look, but this is all 4 of the Ninja Turtles. Donatello, Raphael, Michelangelo, and Leonardo, along with their weapons. I'm going to keep this in the package and let him open that so he can get the excitement of experiencing that, along with his PJ Masks toys. Next up is a package, handle with care. Sealed very good, so I'll use my scissors to open it. And what do we have here? Haha! Old school PlayStation 1 game, Shadow Madness. I feel a little bit robbed because they bought this for $2.69. I ordered this, or paid for it, for like $12, I think. But it's along the lines of Final Fantasy, Legend of Dragoon, some of that that mid-90s greatness with role-playing games. It's not a great, highly touted, highly scored role-playing game, but it has that that rendered background with the 3D sprites overlaid, and it has a simple command-based play mechanism that I like. Shadow Madness, released in 1999 for the PlayStation 1. This was published by Crave Entertainment. The fantastic world of Arcos is under siege. Chaos reigns as a mysterious plague known as Shadow Madness infects the masses. With no known cure, it strikes without warning, leaving behind vile creatures and piles of dust where its victims once stood. As the one hope to this doomed land, you must stop the scourge before it stops you, including complex battle scenarios with 3 styles of magic, 6 unique heroes with distinct personalities, an epic world to explore on 2 powerful discs. Now, some things that are outside of the eBay ordering is what my wife bought for organizing our kitchen drawers, along with the area for our spoons, forks, knives, some spatulas, some clips, maybe the little brush that you want to put some barbecue on if you're grilling or doing something barbecue related. And this is an 8-piece drawer organizer set. Next up is a bag of headphones that I bought from Walmart. These are for the Xbox One. I don't need them, but they were $5, which is the reason I bought them. There were 2 of these on the aisle, and I went ahead and picked both of them up. Now I have tons of headphones, but these can be used for listening to MP3 players, cell phones, playing different consoles like the Xbox One, the PlayStation 4, and you can adapt these to other types of game consoles. You can adapt it for the Xbox 360. You can plug it directly into your TV or some compatible devices like that. And for the $5 price, I really just couldn't turn these down. Thank you for your time and interest in my videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to keep more awesome FM reviews coming your way.
3, 2, 1, action!
How do I want to do this? Do I want to open them up? Yeah, let's just go ahead and do this. Not necessarily. Not really a full-fledged, not necessarily, not a full-fledged. Let me, okay, good, there we go. Test, 1, 2, test. Good quality of, okay. And first up from a, no, let's see. Ha ha ha.